Hello, this is Girish Swami and I welcome you back onto my channel. The very first way you can make money online fast is to start your own vlogging channel. People like seeing the lives of others unfold. There is something about watching other people's daily routines and activities that is extremely appealing to many of us, and this is exactly why vlogging has become so popular, especially in the past decades. With vlogging, you don't need that expensive equipment. All you might need is a smartphone or an affordable DSLR, but smartphones can do the work, and some basic knowledge of editing is important. But these days, you have apps that can do half of the work for you. You can start your vlogging career with YouTube and earn money by posting related ads onto your videos or through some sponsored content. Second way is to become an online tutor. You can help people learn new skills. In return, you can also earn. Well, Check India is one of the best example for such means, as you can help as an expert in subjects like business strategies, engineer, science, mathematics, etc., with each subject having its own sub branch. In this way, you can help other students learn, as well as in return you can earn up to 500 rupees per lesson. These websites not only help you teach but also help you to learn as well. Thus, it could be considered to be an option to earn money online while you are learning the same language and have others practice it as well, giving you an advantage. This is also a budding option as it aims at teaching new skills to others as well as help you earn a good amount of money. It not only helps the students but also the subject matter experts. As a subject matter expert, it broadens your knowledge horizon. You get an active income according to the work you have done. Thus, it become a very attractive option to earn money online in India for students. The registering process to it is very simple and can be done easily. Third way is to online selling. Online selling is a practical option for those who want to earn money online and is one of the easiest earning options. In this option, your person involves himself with e-commerce to sell the goods and services to the end user. They are commonly known as the customer. The most practical way of online selling is through an e-commerce marketplace. The term appears to be heavy, but it is not. It is so simple that even a kid can set up his own business online. The e-commerce marketplace involves a person selling his or her products or services on e-commerce websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra and many more, which are third-party sellers. Therefore, it is one of the practical options to earn money easily, one of the best ways to set up an e-commerce business online. The setting up of the online selling business is fast and very simple. You just need to register yourself as a retailer with those third-party e-commerce websites which were earlier discussed, and boom, you are ready to get yourself customers who might be interested in buying products or the services you produce. Fourth way is to content writing or selling your own ebook. Yes, you can write and sell your own thoughts through selling your own ebook. In this option, you can earn money online by writing your novels on platforms like Wattpad and publish them as ebooks. And for the rest of all, you have to generate some level of pre-orders so that your write-up could be purchased, and later you can earn about 100 rupees as profit per ebook that's been sold to the readers. You can even write content for companies and you can earn up to 500 rupees per article you write. Fifth way is to selling your photos. If you are good at taking pictures and know the concept as well as the functioning of the ISO shutter speed, you got a simple solution on how to make money. You can post an online ad for the requirements of a photographer or contact people for collaborations, pictures for events, or else you can upload them on websites like Unsplash, FreePic, etc. as stock photos, and bingo, you can generate revenue over them. Last but not least way is dropshipping. Here is another best and easier option than the above one, which can help you earn money online. The option is known as dropshipping. In this option, where the store does not directly keep the product with itself in places like an warehouses where the products are stored in bulk, but instead the store sells the product by purchasing that item from a third party. You can ship it directly to the consumer Also, in this business option, the retailer is not concerned about the quality or the handling of the product. So this is the one of the best practical option to earn money online. All you might need is a Shopify account, a website, a supplier where you can contact several suppliers on Alibaba, and the Shopify account handles the rest. There are so many other ways to learn new skills and earn money online, and in the future videos you will get to know more about it. If you came across with any difficulties by applying this way, just let me know in the comment section and I will personally reply you and solve your query. You just have to subscribe and share to this channel with your friends. We'll see you in the next video with new ways to earn money and learn a lot from these new skills. Until then, learn new skills and earn more money.